So what you are going to do it first? Now see what way you are going to do your Gyan Mudra. Everybody know this is your thumb, this is your first finger, right? So Gyan Mudra is basically touching the tip of your thumb to your index finger, that is the forefinger. But where you are going to touch it? You are going to touch here at the tip of your nail. So I am not touching here and here. I am just going to touch it at the tip of my nail. Okay, and rest the three fingers are together and down, and that you are going to place on your lap. Okay, the spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and keep your face and your body, the eyes should be preferably closed, and just take a few deep breathings. Everybody see it. When you're putting it, just put at the corner of your tip. Can you see this? It has to be there at the corner. नहीं, इतना नहीं, यहाँ पे, ये point. ये, inside. Yes, correct. Perfect. हाँ जी. थोड़ा सा press करना है, बहुत जोरों से नहीं, थोड़ा सा. Okay? That's right. थोड़ा इधर लीजिए side पे. Yo. This point. You would exactly feature it. You can come ahead. Okay? Yes, good. Not here. Here, at the knee. This point. नहीं, यहाँ पे, इस तरफ. ये है ना corner, यहाँ पे. Good. Yo. This. Now just close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. When you breathe in, okay, सिर्फ deep breathing करना है. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out. Again inhale very, very deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale very, very 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 deeply. Now just relax yourself without opening your eyes. Just relax yourself for a while. Now everybody can gently open your eyes, please. Now you just calm down or grounded all the negative influences which have been working on your mind as you have been walking out or as you have been out, whatever is the length of time that you have been out from your work or at your work. Now I want you to do what? Exactly. Before we start with anything, you should know what is Gyan Mudra. So for that, again you are going to apply the same mudra, and now when you are inhaling and exhaling, entirely concentrate on this point where you have where you have joined your index finger with your thumb. So when you would concentrate over within a very short while, you would be able to feel a small pulse, a very small and a minor pulse you would be able to feel. For some it would be like a pulsating sound, for some it would be like a throbbing, very mild throbbing voice. But there would be a kind of sensation which would be experienced by everyone. So now we are going to do that. If you can look at that, that means you have applied your Gyan Mudra properly. And now even if you do just 10 count, your mind would be totally still, relaxed and light. Why? Because according to acupressure, this finger represents your head. And the point that you are pressing, that corresponds to your pituitary gland. And pituitary gland is the master gland in your whole endocrine system. So once you stimulate your pituitary gland, means you are directly stimulating your whole endocrine system. And your endocrine system is the one which is responsible for elimination of your physical, mental and each happiness, peace, sleep, for your whole digestive and the psychological and mental well-being is being manipulated by this. Right? So whether if you suffer from sleeping problem, why? Because there is a hormone which is responsible for your sleep. So when you do this, that sleeping hormones would be enhanced. You got a natural hormones which reduce the pain which occurs in your body. So when you're doing this properly, natural painkillers would be released in your bloodstream, and as a result, you would, even if you have any sort of joint pain or arthritis or anything, name on any neuromuscular disorder, all that things would be really slowly coming to an end. But the thing is that earlier you didn't did it, or earlier you could not experience it because you all have not applied the right technique. Now you say you want to run a marathon, so at least you should be first in a position to run for a kilometer. Now you said I'm running for 100 yards, so do you think you'd be eligible to be taken into consideration for a marathon? Right? So when you say you have seen, when you experience a thing, then only we can count it responsible for increasing, decreasing or making no effect in your life. So now we are very subtly, we are going to see to it whether we can experience this small neuroelectric current or not. Okay, come on, everybody sit down again, straight, don't take the support of the back of your chair. Again, join the tip of your index finger to your thumb, rest 3 fingers straight, put it down on your lap. Okay, now close your eyes. Now just make one point very clear. Try to make your exhaling more profound as compared to your inhalation. That means if your inhalation for 3 counts, exhale for 6 counts. Come on, everyone. Inhale. Exhale. Put your entire attention onto your index finger where you are joining it with your thumb. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Now relax yourself. Don't open your eyes. Just relax yourself. Now you can gently open your eyes. Tell me who was not in a position to experience that sort of sound or that a little bit sort of throbbing in your fingers. Anybody who could not experience it? You could not experience it? Were you doing it over here? Yeah? Yo-yo. Tip. Tip it. Close your eyes. Do it now again. Do it 5 counts. Rest everybody could feel it. Okay? So this stage or this, when you do it in this simple way, you know what you're doing? You are already entering into a stage where you give yourself any suggestion about a particular behavior or a particular change, a particular habit that you want to change in your life. Those things would be really very, very effective.